Hi there, Melody from WTI.
Want to get this streak-free, spot-free finish to your vehicles and windows? All you need to get is this water deionizer from H&G Lifestyles. This professional grade filtration system is amazing. What it does is that it removes all sorts of impurities and minerals and contaminants from your water. So it's going to protect it from hard water minerals. It is so easy to use. It's portable. It's really not difficult, and it will pump up to 500 gallons of pure deionized water. We also chose to use a quick connect with our hoses, so when we were using it with our pressure washer, it was that much quicker. I loved using it for washing our vehicle and washing our windows. But you can also use it for everything else, like your RVs or your motorcycles, anything you want to wash without spots. Now, the best part about it is that it saves you so much time because you don't need to worry about making sure on a super hot day that you run after and wipe it down with a towel to make sure it's all dry so it doesn't get any streaks or spots on it. This is my window from the inside out. Look how crystal clear it is. No spots. So this water deionizer from H&G Lifestyles is what you want. Wash and rinse. It's perfect.
And that's my point of view.